glad you stopped in. Today you're going to be, I'm trying my little new toy out on you. And it's just a little, I guess you would call it maybe a little muffin pan. I'm using puff pastry sheets, and you just, this is my bread that I put in here, the puff pastry sheets. You put a little bit of that, a little bit of this, and a little bit of this one. I just think it's going to be wonderful for to make chicken pot pies with. That's what I'm looking forward to. And quiche. I have bought quiche at Sam's about this size. It's wonderful. I think my next one is going to be for quiche. Okay. Put my little top on it. Like that. A little top here. Like that. Doesn't look easy. And one here. And one here. Now, I think it says 12 minutes. We're good for 12 minutes. Okay. Now I'll let these cook. Mine cooked about 8 minutes. See? Look how easy they just slide right out. That one they don't have so easy. Well, yeah, look at that. I think that's pretty neat. I'm gonna do about 12 more of these. But remember, use the, it's probably better, and I see that after I started, to use pie crust on the bottom and your, anything else you want to on top. You can use pie crust on top too, and it may be better. Let's see if we've got this one. Oh, it's crunchy, crunchy. You want that's terrific. The pie filling, these are so crunchy, and it's just, it seems like it's just a spoonful in it. I can't wait to make some more things. Anyway, I hope you enjoy them, and I'll see you soon.